Hello everyone, welcome to the Advanced JavaScript course. The objective of this course is to teach different advanced JavaScript concepts, such as variable hoisting, callback functions, classes and objects, promises, and class inheritance. Also, I'm going to show how those concepts are implemented using ES6 JavaScript. If you're not familiar with that, ES6 is the most recent JavaScript implementation, while the traditional implementation is called ES5. ES6 JavaScript was created on 2015 and provides a lot of new features to the language, as well as improving some parts of ES5 JavaScript, such as how to create classes. For example, here you can see all the new features from ES6 JavaScript. We're not going to cover all of them in this course, but we're going to cover the most important ones. However, not all browsers support ES6 JavaScript. So what we're going to do is using the node.js engine, since node.js supports it. But in this course, I will assume you're already familiar with node.js. So if you have never used it before, I highly recommend you watch the Introduction to Node course first, before watching this course. Finally, we are going to use most of those features while building a project called CryptoCoin Conversion. In this project, you will build an app to download CryptoCoin data and provide conversions between two CryptoCoins. We are going to download the CryptoCoin data from this API, which provides data from different CryptoCoins, like in this example. And then we can show the conversion in our app, like one CryptoCoin costs a number of the other one. Now let's move on to the first lesson, where we are going to start building our project.